Did you know that you can copy and paste everything from your iPhone to your MacBook? If I want to copy this, copy, and then if I go into my Mac and I hit paste, I will find the same stuff. Same thing with images. If I do copy this, for example, and I'm gonna paste it right here, it will says pasting from Johnny's iPhone, and it is the same images. In this case, it is only the sticker, we can say. So it's only this, but you can copy and paste whatever you want between the systems. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my video. Today we're gonna see the magic of Apple ecosystem. And in particular, we're gonna see the ecosystem working between an iPhone and a Mac, because it can speed up your workflow by a lot, in my opinion. So first feature, as you saw in the intro, you can copy and paste everything, really everything, from your iPhone to the Mac, and also vice versa, because the devices are just communicating in every moment. Of course, you have to have both devices under the same Apple ID family. But anyway, this feature works really seamlessly. So let me show you an example. In the intro, you have seen me just copying something from the iPhone to the Mac, but I can do the same stuff from the Mac to the iPhone. For example, I can do this, and it's subscribe to my channel because it's free. I don't know, this is pretty much random, or maybe not. Just watch my latest video on how I did my text replacement. But anyway, if I copy this, so Ctrl C, of course, and then if I go into my iPhone, I will open a new note, and then if I press paste, it is the same stuff. Subscribe to my channel because it's free. I mean, is this a sign? Just subscribe it down below because I mean, it's free. Anyway, a bonus, as you saw, I did my text replacement on the Mac. Just watch my latest video, but I can do it also here on my phone, because here we have the text replacement that I've created on my MacBook. So I have pretty much the same communication between the devices. I can click the suggestion and I have my text replacement. Anyway, this was a bonus. Then, did you know that you can transfer, we can say, your browsing from the iPhone to the Mac, and of course vice versa. So for example, if I open Google Chrome right here and I'm clicking on this article right there, so you can see I can scroll everything like this. But then if I want to see the same exact website on my MacBook, how can I do it? Very simple. Just go into my MacBook and just go into your dock. You can see right down below the dock, you will have the Google Chrome icon, but it says from iPhone. So just click this and it will open the same article right here into your MacBook. Very useful in my opinion. You can do this with Safari, but of course, as you can see, you can do it also with Chrome. So it does work with different browser and not only with the default browser that is Safari. Same stuff, for example, if I search for a website right here, for example, I'm gonna click on the Apple website, and you will see that this video is not that new because this event will be online before this video will be up. But anyway, if I want to switch to my iPhone, what can I do? Just go into your iPhone and just go into the multitasking view. So like this, and you can see right down in the bottom of your iPhone multitask screen, it says Chrome from MacBook Pro. And if I click it, it will open the Apple website. Very useful in my opinion. One of the best and random features that I found on the iPhone, and of course also on the Mac. So this is one of the magic of the ecosystem in my opinion. And to enable this feature, make sure you go into System Settings on the Mac, then go into General right here, and then just click on AirDrop and End Off. So make sure the end off between this Mac and iCloud devices, it is enabled. So just tick this box right here on the top and you will have this feature enabled. Very easy to do. The best thing it is that it's not working only with browser, but it is also working with other apps. For example, I have my Note app right here open. I just show you before how to do the copy and paste whatever you want. But if I want to open the same note on my iPhone, I can do the same stuff. Pretty easy. Just go into the multitasking view, we can say. I don't know how to call it, but you can see right here in the bottom of your multitasking, you will see the Note app opened in the back, and it says from MacBook Pro. So as before, just click on the app right here and you will have the same note on the iPhone. very, very convenient. And as I said, you can do pretty much with also other apps, for example, reminders and also messages. Very, very convenient in my opinion. Another very useful feature, it is the fact that you can answer to your calls from your MacBook or maybe from your phone. It depends on which device you are working on, because you can receive the same call between your devices, even if you have an iPad, even if you have other Apple devices. You can answer to each device you have selected, where you can answer to your phone call. And to enable this, just go into your iPhone, just search for settings right here, just click on the phone app settings right here, and then right down below you can find calls on other devices. And I've selected when nearby, and of course I have allowed the calls on my MacBook Pro, as you can see right here. And of course I can disable it whenever I want. But in my opinion, it's very convenient, because if you don't see or if you don't hear your phone ringing, you will see a notification on your MacBook and you can answer on both devices however you prefer. Very, very convenient in my opinion. Same stuff, you can do it also with the messages, but you have always to go into settings, and in this case you have to go into messages right here. You will find the text message forwarding. So if you press this, you will find all the devices that you have connected to your Apple ID. And in this case, I have only my MacBook Pro that can receive text, of course. It's very, very useful, because if you need to insert some double factor verification code or anything like that, you will receive the message both here on your iPhone and also into your MacBook. Very, very convenient, because you have only to copy and paste the code, for example, or maybe whatever you want. You can see both the messages here on iPhone and on MacBook, especially if you don't have your phone like close to yourself and you want to see your message, or maybe you received your message, your code here into your iPhone. You don't want, or you cannot pick it up because it's far away, for example. You will see it also into your MacBook. So in my opinion, it's a very convenient feature. Then if you are on a Mac, and in my case, this is my MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro chipset. It is not that old, but maybe if you have to use it for several video calls, maybe it is not the best quality to use the integrated and default webcam, but you don't want to spend more money on a professional webcam or maybe an external webcam, because I mean, it feels kind of old. You don't have to do it, because macOS can use continuity camera. So basically, it will use the iPhone camera as a webcam on your MacBook. It is so convenient, and the quality it is so good that if you have both these devices, you cannot skip on this feature. If you have to take any video call, just make sure to use continuity camera and you will be good to go. So for example, I'm gonna show you how it works. I am on Discord right here, and this is an example to let you see that is working also with third-party apps. And if I click on test my webcam, it will open automatically my iPhone camera. And as you can see on the MacBook screen, I have my webcam as my phone camera. Very, very useful. And of course, the quality, it is super convenient to use this. And also, if I go here on the top, I can also use the reaction that you have with the newest iOS update. You can use all the effects that you can use also on the iPhone. So in my opinion, it is very, very cool. And also you can use the desk view. That is a particular feature where you can see your desk as a particular camera from the top. So as you can see, it's working very, very good. As I said, it is very, very convenient to use this feature. You will have technically a webcam, a professional webcam, and also a top-down camera if you want. Then you already knew that on MacBook and also on the iPhone, you can sign documents, pretty much PDF and everything, by just adding a manual sign. So you can sign with the touchpad on the MacBook, and also you can sign with your finger into the iPhone. But also, did you know that, for example, if I open this dummy PDF file that I have right here, did you know that if I press on the annotate icon right there on the top, there is an hidden feature that I didn't see anybody using. Here on the top, you will find a little phone icon and it says annotate on Johnny's iPhone. So if I click here, it will open the same file here on my iPhone, and I can use pretty much any tool that I want here on my iPhone. For example, I can draw right here, and you can see that in live I can draw also on my MacBook. Very, very convenient. I don't know if you can see it very well from the screen right here on this camera, but if I do this, you can see it very well, right? Very, very cool. So if you have maybe to highlight something in particular and you want to do it like manually like this, you can do it very, very easily. Or maybe if you want to add manually a signature, you can do it. For example, you can zoom in and then you can just add your signature. Very, very easy. And for me, it was just an hidden feature that I found out just a few months ago, even if I'm using these two devices pretty much every day. Then if you hit done, of course, you will have the same edits on your MacBook and it will stay like this. Super, super useful in my opinion. Then of course you can save or not save these edits. Then for this video, that was pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments if you found this video somehow useful and if you didn't know about any of this feature, or maybe even better, just type it down below if you have some more feature that pretty much nobody knows. In any other case, just let me know down below with a like if you did like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, because it will help me very, very much. As always, thank you for watching my video and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.